Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to create a board in Shein Wishlist on an Android device. Well, creating a board can also be source of inspiration. You can use them to collect fashion trends, outfit ideas, or style inspiration from Shein's vast selection of products, helping you discover new looks and trends. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. So now tap the wishlist icon at the top right corner. Okay, so in this page, you can swipe to the right side and then you can click create board option. Okay, enter the title of your new board and click create board. Okay, so now select the products from your wishlist. After that, click add to board option. Okay, so now the new board is successfully created. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to create a board in Shein Wishlist on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.